Sorry guys, this is a part 3 because I accidentally pressed the video ending button again. This is the second time and sorry for the delay, like 3 parts. So, no wait, what did I just say? Wait, I tell you a reason why we didn't have all the special cards till now. You know why? Because we got 2 sleeve books for that. Dude, literal. Also, which one should I open first? This or this? Let's go with this, maybe. Yeah, okay, so. Okay. Okay. But I got this so many times. What the fuck was this? Okay. Okay. Cario. Wait. Yeah. Machamp again. But I had enough with Machamps too. What the heck? Okay, so we'll go with the book. I've seen good cards in here already. Urshifu, another Urshifu. What the heck? Here. Oh, it's a VIP Charizard card. Nice. Back in. Charizard, not bad. Sankonda. Rainbow Buzzwolf. This is the last card. There are 2 cards. Over. Service. Because I have one more package. Look, actually the truth, this is for my friend. So today is my birthday. So I got this from my friend. This one was part of this type. Like he had owned this, and then we got another book. Okay, so he had owned these cards, and he gifted me, like, couriered me with free card packing. Okay. The sound kumba. Nice. Wait, I have another package. Let's see what it is. Okay, so let's open this. This bunch of open cards. So we have opened Evolving Skies. I see this already in the first card of Brilliant Stars. Oh, nice Chilling Rain, Astral Radiance. Wait, no way. No way. Primal Clash? Oh, let's start off with Primal Clash. What's this again? Okay, so next I'll keep these cards in this pack again, and I'll meet you again with Chilling Rain. I'm back with Chilling Rain, so please ignore that lie. Oh wait, I'm not laughing. Drop these 3 cards. Okay, so now I'm gonna keep these cards and I'll meet you with Primal Clash. Evolving Skies. So I'm back with Evolving Skies. And that's it for this pack. So now next I'll keep these cards in this pack and keep it somewhere, someplace, and I'll be back with the Brilliant Stars packet. I don't know why he didn't keep these cards in the box with them. Wait, yeah, but I forgot the box was full of cards already. I literally opened that just now, but wait, what? Apple Rayquaza? Nice card. Okay, actually, no, actually, radio. Okay, brilliant stars. Okay, now opening first card itself. Two of them. Okay. So basically, I just got this new background and some new cards. Wait, what? Charizard V-Star? Do you have a look at this? Charizard V-Star. Nice. Wait, what the fuck is this? Umbreon. Okay, now I'll keep these cards in its packet and I'll keep it somewhere new. I mean, like in a place where I kept the other cards till now, which I opened. So just a second. I don't know how to fit these many cards in one packet. Like, see this. To fit these many cards in like one packet. And finally, we have Ascrial Radiance. What? What the heck? Bro, wait, what? See this? Oh, mom. Was I just pull out this to Urshifu? So it's just not work with normal and stuff? But wait, literally the same Urshifu. Galarex? Cool, nice. This is the real ones, right? Bro, Sand Panda? Bro, wait, Bikini and Sand Color? Bro, wait, what? Oh, so wait, I think we should have another pair of them, maybe? If we do, hit the subscribe button. And we do, we have Kingler and Charizard V-Star, bro. This is silver color, but okay. Okay, so thanks for watching this many parts of this video of unboxing. So if you subscribe to this channel, in the next week I'll be giving out all the cards to one subscriber in the 7 days. Like, I'll give it to the first subscriber. I have 44 subscribers already, so don't mind whoever is my 45th subscribers. They're gonna get all this cards which is opened in this video. So bye and thanks for watching, and please like and share, comment, subscribe if you want these cards. Thanks.